Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add a gallery to your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do it yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and that you own on your Squarespace account. So guys, as you can see, we currently have only one website called tutorials, and this is the website we will be using for today's video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your website by clicking it in the dashboard right here, and as you can see, now we can open up our website in the page. So guys, you can see at the left side of the screen, there are a couple options that you can use for editing your website, such as pages, design, commerce, and so on, but we will not be using those today. What we want to do is first open up our website in editorial mode, and we will do that by clicking this edit button in the upper left corner. So guys, go ahead and click on edit, and now our website is opened in editorial mode. As you can see, we can edit sections, we can edit our header, and so on. So guys, how do we add a gallery? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and add a new section. You want to create a new section, and you can do that by clicking this button right here called add section. So guys, go ahead and click on add section, and now this will open up this option to add new sections. As you can see, currently this is nothing appearing here yet. Well, we want to go ahead and click on this button right here called looking for sections built with our classic editor. So guys, go ahead and click that button right there. And now guys, this will open up the new classic editor, the old classic editor, which will enable you to add sections such as images, quotes, and so on. But the option that we want is right here called gallery. So guys, go ahead and click on gallery. And now as you can see, here are a couple of examples how your gallery can look. You can choose the one you want the most. And let's go and choose the gallery that we want the most. Let's say this is the option that we want. And now guys, you can see we have successfully added a new section, which is our gallery. Here you'll be able to edit your pictures by clicking on edit gallery. Here you can edit pictures, you can add new pictures by clicking the plus icon, and so on. And after you're finished guys and satisfied with your gallery, all you want to do is go ahead into the upper left corner and save the changes. And now guys, you can see our website has been updated and we have a gallery. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.